Hey guys, so today on Everyday Dev, I'm here at the Women of the World Festival, which is the first time it's come here to Norwich. And it's a 2-day festival where we celebrate all types of women and our achievements in gender equality and what's still to come as well. So there are lots of talks, workshops, which I'm going to check out. So yeah, let's see what we've got to find out.
Maybe question what you do and why you do things, and also take criticism. I think that's a big one for me.
Okay, so aside from the talks and the workshops, I've actually found this really cool dance session, so I'm going to see how I'm going to get on with this. It should be fun. Wow, that dance session was amazing. There was music from all over the world, and I'd probably say that the freestyle was my favourite, wouldn't you agree? And I think I've earned myself a well-needed snack. So this has been everything from Everyday Dev. Good cupcakes.